Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to SHIB update today. If you guys want to get into my new thing that I want to do, a plan that I have for 2026, which is actually a $500 to $128,000 challenge, you can actually take that. And the idea is actually pretty simple, how I can do 500 to 128. What exactly just happened yesterday is how we're gonna make money from $500 to $128,000. That means whenever a crash happen to the daily support, basically you can see a purchase power right here can actually give you high returns right over here. So imagine someone sits down the whole 2026 for you and tries to catch all these crashes down, because yesterday a lot of people may have not got into this crash, but I actually did end up buying the crash. And our trade here, you can see on the private as well, we did end up getting into some of the messages. So if I do go down and lower, okay, so we ended up buying some of this, right? So this was SHIB. Okay, so we did end up buying some SHIB, a little bit of a Polkadot, and a little bit of a SAFE. Guys, buy Polkadot right now if you want to get 2x. Okay, you're gonna get 2x if you want to get I've actually just announced it publicly on this video, but yes, Polkadot is pretty good right now. You can enter. It's at really good support line. So I'm gonna go into DOT and show you this. Actually, a lot of the guys that I told them to buy Polkadot, they ended up buying at $3, but it's still in a good entry position. You can see it is at that support line. One touch pump, another touch pump, another touch. I'm pretty sure we're looking for another move to the upside. So if you enter, amazing. It's at $3. You could even easily see a nice good $6 to $11 in the future. And for SHIB, I do expect SHIB to also do something in Q4, because Q4 is the time when the market gets a lot of money. Now I do know that October started very ugly. Yesterday there were people who died. Some people suicide. A lot of people have gone crazy. Some people have taken a break. A lot of you have lost hope, and I think a lot of you don't even want to hear me saying that the bull run even exists at all. And I understand it, but guys, crashes have happened since day one. Okay, this is not the first time a crash happened. So you see, coronavirus was even worse than this. Okay, coronavirus was a dump that happened, but still we had a bull run. Right now, if you want to justify that crash is equals to no bull run, I cannot agree with that, because I've been here looking at crashes for 8 years, and I can pretty much tell you that after some time it changes. The time changes, and it is time. We're not close. In my opinion, I think that the bull run is already begin. Okay, and it is my responsibility to bring bull run. I'm bringing in the bull run. Okay, and if you haven't purchased yesterday crash, I'm gonna feel bad for you, but you're still not late. You still have the time. I've actually told you Polkadot, right? So I did have a plan to tell you to buy a coin down the road. I did have this plan that I'm just gonna tell you to get into a coin that can help you. You can see this is my message here. There's a special September discount I'm looking for. It may not happen, but this message was back in August. Okay, if it does, I'll give you the call publicly to get into the discount and make a good profit. If a bull run happens, we should be close to an all season after October. So basically, this crash was always at the back of my head, that before a bull run happened, they must take all the stop losses. For me, this is justified. This crash is justified to actually start a bull run. Why would you want to give bull run to every single person that is leveraging everything, thinking that this is the biggest discount? Take their stop losses and then actually start a bull run. And it didn't happen with SHIB. It actually happened with Pepe. It happened with Bonk. We've seen DOT even going all the way down, like 0.7. That was huge. Okay, Solana. Where did Solana go? This was not as big. Actually, Solana didn't even do anything. But yes, they wanted to wipe off a lot of people. They washed off a lot of people. Pepe itself actually dropped all the way down to maybe 316. Okay, so everybody's stop losses were taken away just right over there. Okay, so it is still down. The market is down. It's amazing. I do suggest to buy. I have bought some SHIB. I'm giving you Polkadot, which is at 3.2 $2. We bought it $3. It's a little bit high right now, but still low on a higher time frame. It's super cheap right now, pretty much on a bear market prices. So be happy you have this opportunity, and maybe this is the only one time I could be your financial advisor. I'm loving this discount. It is a discount. It is time to buy, and I've actually bought. So let's see what happens. Best of luck to you and me. And I think SHIB should be doing at least come to this resistance line. I would actually see it somewhere down the road in Q4, moving up to, I think 22.89 is actually a pretty sweet spot. But I do see now, finally, next year we should be going and making new all-time high. It should actually now finally start to move and start to make maybe 10x from here, 20x from here. I would actually love to see the previous all-time high get broken and at least go up to maybe 12,000 or maybe even 15,000 level. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.